This video tutorial demonstrates how to create a VeriCite assignment in Canvas using the native integration. In your Canvas site, go to Assignments. Click on the plus Assignments button to add a new assignment. Enter your assignment setup information as normal. The VeriCite native integration with Canvas uses the online submission type. This is the default submission type for a Canvas assignment. You may choose the text entry and/or file uploads options for student submissions, depending on how you plan to receive your students' work. Check the box next to Enable VeriCite Submissions to activate VeriCite reports for this assignment. Optionally, you may click on the Advanced VeriCite Settings link to view or modify the default settings for this assignment, such as when students are allowed to view the report, options for excluding quotes or self-plagiarism, or storing submissions in your institution's repository. Click Update Settings to save any changes. Finish setting up your assignment by specifying any additional options as needed. Then click Save to save your assignment. If you are ready to publish the assignment for students in the class, you may select Save and Publish instead. And that's it! Your VeriCite assignment is now available in Canvas.